3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, this is Mrs. Smith, and this tutorial is to show you how to get organized with your Google Drive. If you think of your Google Drive like a filing cabinet, it's helpful to create folders to file your work, which will make it a lot easier for you to find it when you're looking for something. This is an example of a 6th grade student's Google Drive, and it's not organized in any way. She has been using Google Apps since 4th grade, and basically the files that she's created just get organized automatically by Google, and they do it in a way that is earliest to latest. So it's kind of helpful, but not really if you're looking for something that's kind of old. So Abby can choose to organize her work in more than one way. At first, I would think she can organize it by grade. Remember, I told you she's in 6th grade and been using this since grade 4. So she can have a folder for 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, or she can choose to organize by subject: math, ELA, tech ed, computers. What I'm actually going to help Abby do is, first of all, we're going to do grade folders 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to do subject folders inside of grade 6. Okay, so in order to create a folder, it's really simple. If you click on the new button on the left, one of the options is folder. Click on that one time. It gives you an untitled folder, and this one we're going to call 4th grade. Click create, and voila, she now has a 4th grade folder. We're going to do that 2 more times to create a 5th grade folder and a 6th grade folder. Okay, so now Abby has 3 folders: 4th grade, 5th grade, and 6th grade. I'm going to show you how to color code the folders and also how to star the ones that you want to come up first. Very simple. If you click on the folder, one tap, and then right-click on the folder, you will get a menu. And one of those menu options is to change colors. So we will make her 4th grade blue. We'll make her 5th grade green, and we'll make her 6th grade purple. So you may have noticed while we're in here changing colors that there's also an option to add a star. So I'm going to add a star to Abby's 6th grade folder. And what that does is it helps her find things a little bit more easily. If she clicks here on the starred items, it's going to bring up anything that she has starred. So as you can see, she starred her 6th grade folder. Okay, so now Abby has 3 color-coded folders. The next thing I'm going to do is create subfolders inside of her 6th grade, because as she gets older, she becomes more active with her Google Apps. So instead of just dumping everything into 6th grade, she might want to have some subject folders. So notice I have 6th grade open. I'm going to click on New Folder, and I'm going to start creating some subject folders for her. So here's ELA, and she definitely uses a folder for computer class. And I know she's going to need one soon for tech ed. Okay, so those are 3 folders, and you can color code those the same way that you color coded the grade folders. So computer class, she can color them whatever color she would like. Okay, now that Abby has 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade folders and some subject folders in 6th grade, I'm going to show you a fun little bonus that I just found out. We can not only just add colors to our folders, but we can also add fun little emojis. So I'm going to find a computer emoji to add to her computer folder. I've opened up the app already, and it is called Emojipedia, and there's a search bar. So I typed in computer, and I have some choices here as to what emoji she would like to use. So I'll put this desktop computer. Just click on it. click on copy, go back to your Google Drive, and if you right click on that folder that you want to change, click rename, and what you're going to do is paste the emoji that you've copied. Control V and click on OK. So now not only does she have a beautiful color-coded folder, it also has an icon on it to help her find things a lot easier. All right, now the last thing Abby needs to do is actually get organized. She's now created her folders. Now she has to get her work into those folders. So she's going to go back here to My Drive where all of her work still is. It's kind of like being on the floor all around the filing cabinet. And when Abby's ready to organize her mess, all she has to do is take the file and drag it into the folder it belongs in. So this homemade brownie assignment, I know we did this in computer class, so Abby can click and drag that right into 6th grade computer class. Her poems is an ELA assignment, so she can drag that into the correct folder. And all about the author, ELA, and you get the idea. Ancient Egypt, I'm guessing that might be a social studies, but we didn't make her a social studies folder, so I'm going to let Abby finish this up tomorrow. Once you have everything tidied up into folders and you still might be having trouble finding something, don't forget Google does have a built-in search bar that really comes in handy. You can search by the file type, PDFs, docs, spreadsheets, presentations. Also, my favorite way to find stuff is the recent folder, because the recent folder does exactly that. It brings up work that you've recently been working on, and that's usually what we're looking for. So whenever you think that you can't find your work, just remember, I promise you didn't lose it. It's in your Google Drive. Thanks for watching.